Good day, grade 2 theory students. Today we'll be covering the subject of relative minor and majors. Now remember, if you have any questions, you can write it in the comments below in the section, and either I or another teacher will answer as soon as possible. So here we go. Okay, it's to my understanding that you are not allowed to bring any pictures of a piano, which I think is quite harsh, especially for grade 1 students, but you're grade 2 now anyway. So we had to now know in our minds what the notes are, how they're placed, and the tones and semitones. We know that B to C and semitone, and we know E to F semitone. It's important you know this. These two. Of course there's more semitone, but these two are different. We'll see why. So I'm going to write the notes down. A, we have B flat. We have B, C. They're together. We have C sharp, D. We have D sharp. Can you see A still? So let me just bring this over a bit. We have E, F. They're together. F sharp, G, G sharp. Then we have A, and we have B flat. Yes, B flat is also A sharp, but just for now, just try and remember B flat is before B. Okay, so why do we need to know this? Okay, so it's all about counting. When we want to work out the major and minor. Major and minor. Major and minor are related. They're like cousins. They're related. Okay? Each major scale has a relative minor scale. Now, how do you work it out? We have to count. So with a minor, to work out the relative major, the cousin of a minor, we go this way, to the left. To work out the relative minor to a major, we go this way, to the right. What does that mean? Let's look at this. Let's go back here. I want to know, we have C major. How do you work out the cousin of C major? We go this way and we count 3 semitones. So from C to B, that's 1 semitone. There's nothing in between. 1, so I'll do a 1, 2 to B flat, 3 to A minor. C major, we count this way 3 semitones to find out the relative minor. 1, 2, 3. So C major is cousins with A minor. Let's do another one. If I say F major, what is the cousin? What is the relative minor of F major? We count this way, 3 semitones. From F to E, 1, 2, 3. D minor is a relative minor of F major. So F major is cousins with D minor. So let me ask you another question. If I say E minor, E minor, what is the relative major? Now, we're not going this way anymore. Major to go minor, we're going this way. 3 semitones. From E minor, what's the relative major? 1, 2, 3. G major. E minor is cousins with G major. To work out the cousin of a minor to a major, we go this way. To work out the cousin of a major to a minor, we go this way. Right, left. I hope that makes sense. Now, we need to know that the major and minor, who are cousins, they share the same key signature. So, let's see if you can see properly. Zoom in a bit. Okay, so what does that mean? I'm going to do a triple clef here. And I shall put E minor. E minor. You must know major is always the king. Or for you girls, the major is always queen. In charge. Yes? So if I ask somebody, what is the key signature of E minor? We think, minor. Minor is not important because major is king. So we need to find out who is the cousin of E minor. Let's go back here. E minor. Who is a cousin? To work out the major from a minor, do we go this way? No, we go this way. This way. And we count 3 semitones. 1, 2, 3. The relative major of E minor is G major. G major, major, is always king or queen. G major. G major is more important than the E minor. So, again, if I ask, let me zoom in, what is the key signature for E minor? We know that E minor, the relative major is G major. G major has what? F sharp. Be neat. Make sure the line, can you see the line? It's going in the middle. That is F sharp. So the key signature of E minor is F sharp. What does that mean? That means that if you see F sharp, it is either G major, but it also could be E minor, because E minor also has the same key signature as the king, his king, queen cousin, G major. Thank you.